Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve Pinterest notifications not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest notifications not working, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff as you see here, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.